Hi YouTube, thanks for joining me on this video. This is a new t-shirt design video. It's gonna be titled T-shirt Design Photoshop 2020. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are doing a really good job, and for those who have not subscribed or watching this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. It really helps me a lot. It gives me the motivation to perform, to deliver, and to give you what you set for. So without wasting much of your time, let's drive straight right to today's video. I'm opening my Photoshop. I'm going to be designing a Bali t-shirt for those of you who are travelers, who are tourists, or who want to visit new destination. This will really motivate you to do that. This year 2020 is a new decade. You just have to have fun. Please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and remember to do one thing: watch this video to the very end. The most interesting part always come at the end, but if you miss the beginning, you miss it all. So let's get straight right to it. To start, go to new. I love to design with these presets. As you can see, these are my presets for my best design. So now let's get straight right to it. I hope you've gotten everything. Just set yours accordingly, press OK, and here we go. So the next step we want to do is to click on this. Your Photoshop might naturally come on this arrow, but if it does not come on this move tool, it will be on this. So whatever way it comes in, just set it on this. So now the next step is to unlock this layer. I like to unlock this layer. If you watch my other episode, I already have currently 10 episodes up on my channel. Please watch all. If you want to become a pro in t-shirt design, you want to become an expert, please go and watch all. Go to my channel, check my playlists, watch all. They are all available, ready for you to feast on. So to unlock this layer, I just have to double tap on this lock, double tap, and I'll press OK. Now I can switch this off and on. So now to start with, I already got my design. So I'll go to my downloads. Bali. Working with Bali this time. Working with Bali, so let's go find it. I already had it downloaded. This is it. I'll just drag, move it onto this. As you can see, take it up a little, so you can see it has the 4 cross around it. This helps me to reduce and increase. So to do that, let's say I want to increase this, I'll just hover my mouse to this edge. It forms the double arrow. You notice it has a curved arrow now. That's because I can use this and just move my mouse about and to change the shape, but I just want it to be on this. So now to increase it, I'll just hover my mouse here. I'll press down on 3 buttons. The 3 buttons are my Alt key button, my Shift button, and my left mouse button. Then I'll move my mouse outwards. Move it outwards. If you move it inwards, it reduces. If you move it outward, it increases. So here you go. We have this. So I'm okay with this size. I'm going to release my hand first from my left mouse key button, then from my other 2 buttons. Then I'll press enter. We got that out of the way. Now we'll just use our up and down arrow on our keyboard to move this up a bit. Then the next step is to add a bit of, call it effect, so, or design, whatever way you wish to call it, but you get the drill. So let's just go find, I got a ribbon, got a tape, so just bring in my tape. So now this is where I need to turn. See, this is where the turn, I have to just turn it, bring it down a little. I'll reduce it. Remember I told you to reduce it, pressing down 3 buttons, Alt key button, Shift button, left mouse button, drag inwards to reduce. As simple as that. Release your mouse from your left mouse button and your other two buttons, press enter. As you can see, we have this, so I want to change the color. To do that, I just have to double tap on this edge. As you can see, this is my mouse cursor. I'll double tap on this edge, come to color overlay. As you can see, it has turned to red. But do I want it at red? I won't be too sure if I don't test other colors. So how do I do that? I'll come here, click on this, and you can see I can pick colors from here now, or from here I can pick colors. But what I like to do, I like to pick colors from the image. So all I'll just do is come inside here. You see that's a droplet, that droplet icon. So I can just pick from here and just keep picking till I get something I may love. You can see I like this, so I just press OK. The next step is just to duplicate this and take it over to this edge. So to duplicate, all I have to do is over my mouse on this tape, press my Alt key button. It gives me the double arrow. As you can see, I'll press my left mouse click button and just move my mouse. See, I've duplicated it. As you can see, just move it over to this edge. When I'm done, I just release my mouse. As you can see, I have it there, but I think I need to change this tape color. I need to change the color from blue, because blue is a prominent color on the picture already. So I need to just change it to something more like, don't want a black. It's okay. So the next step is to put our words we want on the shirt. So for this, it's gonna be Bali. If you've not visited Bali, it's a cool place. I think you should visit it soon. We have on our shirt, that's to increase it. So to increase it, you can see it was quite small, so I had to increase that. Please stick around, please don't click off, watch this video to the end. You will love it, I promise you. Please subscribe if you've not done that already. You can see the subscribe, like and share moving about. Just please subscribe if you've not done that already. So I'm going to do my Control V. Sorry about that. A. Yeah, I'm gonna type Bali. So I have my Bali. I'm gonna click on this. Then I'll do my Control T, so I light my words. Then I'll over my mouse to this edge. Then I'll do my Alt tab, Shift button, left mouse click, and just increase. Once that is done, press my enter, move it up, and do Ctrl T again. I might just turn this a bit. Press enter. So with that done, you can see it has taken us about 8 minutes already. We are almost done. Please stick around. So the next step is to move this up a bit. And now remember what we have to do at the beginning. Since we are transferring it onto a t-shirt, if you are taking it to Teespring, you don't need the background. If you are putting it on Match by Amazon, you don't need the background. This shirt makes you money. People want to buy, people want to visit Bali, people want to have these shirts. So to do this, you put up this background. This is the very first layer we unlocked at the beginning, if you can remember. Yes, this is the first layer, so we'll put this up. Then the next thing to do is to save this. We'll save it as PNG, but first we have to save it as a raw file so that we can come back to edit it later in the future. So just save this as Bali. Save it. Then we'll come back here. You can see it's saved. Then we'll come back here and save it as PNG, so that we can be able to transfer it onto our shirt without the background. Remember, to transfer it onto your shirt without the background, you need to save it as PNG. As you can see, click on save. I like to do fast. interlace, save. See, saving. Now the very most important step of this is the last stage, which I'm going to go through now. Please, if you've not been focusing from the beginning, please focus now. They say a t-shirt with a mock-up sells more. That is the fact. Check anywhere they tell you that. So let's get a mock-up. Go to t-shirt, mock-ups. This is my favorite mock-up. You already know, if you watch my other series, my other episode, you already know this is my best. I always use it for all my videos. So just go stroll up to locate design. But to get this, like I've said in all my videos, to come over to free pics, search in the bar. In the search bar, you search for t-shirt mockup, get the one you really love and you download it. As simple as that. If you want me to do a separate video about that, please just let me know in the comment. Please leave your comment about what you think about this video. Do you love it? If you like this video, please leave me a comment so that I know you enjoyed something about this video. And if you want me to design a specific kind of video, please let me know in the comments. So let's get back to this design. So just double tap here. It's going to give you an error message to save after. So let's see. Yeah, so that's just the error message. Don't want this, so delete that. Then we'll go to our picture, select our Bali. This is it. Then we'll bring it into our design. Bring it into our design. As you can see, it's quite big, so remember, as I told you to reduce it, move your mouse to the edge. When you see this cross X, move it to this edge or any of the four edges, the 90-degree, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm used to this edge already, so you just do your control, your Alt key, your Shift key, pressing them down together, press your left mouse key button down, so you are pressing 3 keys down together, and you drag inward. As simple as that. Here you go. So when you're okay, you just have to keep adjusting it till you get a perfect fit on the shirt. So now we have this. I'll click on save. Click on save. I'll go back to my shirt. As you can see, I have it right on my shirt. Right on my shirt. So I'll just reduce it a bit. Reduce it a bit. To do that, do Ctrl T. Gives me that cross X. I'll come to the edge, Alt, Shift, left mouse key button, pressing them down together and just adjust it. When I'm done, move mouse from button, press enter again. Then go back to file and save it again. Now we're saving it. Go back and you can see it's perfectly placed on our shirt and we'll have a perfectly beautiful shirt. I'm going to be doing a series from my video 11 to 20. It's going to be different cities, different tourist location. If you have a location in mind, please let me know. I'll definitely make a video for it. So I love this and I'm gonna press save now. I'm gonna save it. Go to pictures, save it as Bali full. And save it as PNG, progressive, quality 12, maximum, file large, press enter. And here you go. Your design is ready, super ready for you, and it took us just about 40 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, if you check yesterday, it took me 40 minutes to design one. Today it's taking me 40 minutes to design this. Tomorrow, let's see if we can beat this time. It's as simple as A, B, and C. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Love you all.